this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix eSIM cannot be added on an iPhone 16 Pro Max Plus or any iPhone device. So first things first, there are a couple of immediate fixes that you can go ahead and try. And the first one I'm going to be recommending you is going to be by restarting your phone, of course. This is a bit cliche, but it does go ahead and help you to clear temporary glitches. The second option is going to be by toggling on and toggling off your airplane mode, which is going to simply go ahead and refresh your network connection, and then you can try it again. Also, make sure that when trying to scan the QR for your eSIM on your settings right over here, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, as activation requires server communication. The third thing you need to do is, if you're transferring into a eSIM, then ensure that the eSIM is removed from your previous device. Okay, so that is about it. The final step you can do in order to go ahead and fix this big issue is going to be by heading into general settings, scrolling all the way down to transfer or reset, and click on reset, and simply click on reset network settings, and then click on delete all eSIMs. That is it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.